Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I'm showing you how to deliver a logo design job to the customer. So you can see here that I have the master logo file open. So the top row is just the black versions, or would be the color versions of all of their logos. You would then have a black version of it, and then a white version. But since they don't have any color in their logo, they're just getting the black and the white. So these are all set up. The next step is going to be to press the F1 key. And now we're going to export for screen. So we're going to make sure that we have all of these selected. And we're going to do a PDF, a JPEG at 2400 pixels wide. And we're going to add another scale, and we're going to do a PNG also at 2400 pixels wide. So now we're going to choose where this is saving to. So we're just going to go to the clients folder, and we're going to find the folder that we're looking for, G&G Equipment Services, and then we're going to save it into the logo folder. So at this point we can just go ahead and hit export, and it's going to pop open like this. And so we don't need the JPEG files for white, so I'm just going to go ahead and sort by type and just delete the ones with white, because obviously it's not going to preview. Where that does add value is going to be the PNG. Okay, so now we have that saved. I wish that you could save it as an AI file and export screens, but I don't know how to do that. I don't know if it's available yet, so now we're just going to save it as an AI file as well. And default settings should be good. Okay, so now we have all the variants of their logo in here. So now we're going to right click, and we're going to do new compressed zip folder, and we'll just call it the customer name, G&G Equipment Services logo final. And now we're going to select everything that we had exported. We're going to copy it and then paste it into that zip folder. And so now you've got everything packaged up nicely. And at this point, you're going to go ahead and just email it over to the client, and we'll create a template on that, and basically just letting them know that here it is in multiple formats, and if they needed it in any additional formats, please reach out. We'll provide it. Thanks for watching.